Yeah. Crystal clear, course vision, manifesting my wishes. You ain't on my vibration and I'm keeping my distance. We don't do that evil lie, cause I'm already winning. Put your ego to the side, you might break through the ceiling. I had to level up.
Okay, we're about to do the Frost Age Beauty device. Here's a quick video of the before. So here we got Regina. What is going on today? What are we doing?
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna utilize this non-surgical facelift wand, because that's exactly what we're doing. Is we're using a low volt current that actually is going to go in and stimulate at the base of the muscle, which is going to cause the regeneration of new skin cells, but not only that, help create collagen. But it's also going to tell the muscle, I don't belong down here, jowl, I belong back up here. And why that stimulation, it's re-educating the muscle throughout the whole facial area. So we're gonna take some of this gel, and this is the face gel from Olly that you are gonna utilize that's hydrating, moisturizing, and we're just gonna do half of Vanessa's face right now. I'm gonna get her all lubed up here. Make sure you have it on the orbital bone here. And then we're gonna turn this on and we're gonna go on RF first, okay? And what you wanna do is you wanna do 3 passes with this. Make sure it's set. And we're gonna start, we're gonna go from the chin, and we're gonna go slowly all the way back to the ear. And you're gonna go over that 3 times. Like they say, the 3rd time's the charm. So I've been an esthetician since I was 19 years old, and I actually, now I'm gonna change it, and we're gonna go to the EMS. And we're gonna go 3 passes. And so when I was 19 years old, the lady that ran the beauty school, she actually had a machine back then, which she paid in 1988, $30,000 for. And it was low volt electromagnetic current. So now we're gonna switch back to RF. And we're gonna go above where we just worked.
Yeah, now I can feel it. Okay.
Yeah, you feel EMS.
This reminds me of like a galvanic facial.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah.
Treatments like these in beauty spas, traditionally, how much is like a single session?
Well, you know, usually what they do is they incorporate this with a regular facial, and they can range between $600 to, I've seen them up to $1,200. So having one of these machines is a really great add-on if you are looking at wanting to really build your facial clientele and really show some dramatic differences. And you can sell packages. I found that selling packages is really like the way to go. You know, if you want to say that a treatment like this costs $350 and you want to be able to offer them a once a month treatment, you know, you could take it down to $250 and sell them that package. They get that, you know, kickback. And people love that, being able to have something to look forward to. Especially with our population, the aging population, they're looking for things that are not where they're going in and having to go under the knife. You know, going under the knife has its, you know, popularity, as we say. A lot of people are going to different countries and doing this, not so much in America are they doing it, but they're finding things in the Dominican and Mexico. But you know, the recovery time for that type of stuff it's recovery, you know. And also a lot of people are going in and they're doing the CO2 where they're taking the subcutaneous layer off of the skin. And this doesn't do anything like that. This is actually re-educating literally the muscles. It's reminding them, hey, instead of being down here, I'm up here now, This is where I used to be.
So it's really non-invasive.
It's non-invasive, absolutely.
This would be great in combination with microneedling.
Yeah, microneedling has its place too. I mean, that helps with collagen, but then you are piercing the skin, so you're causing damage to the skin, so the skin is actually coming back and healing. This is not damaging the skin. This is actually healing the skin. It's giving it that charge that it needs.
And this is huge for beauty spas because they could not only offer this as a treatment, but it's a take-home technology as well. They could sell them the machine, and people could use it at home. They get paid off of all the product volume without even having to really be getting paid outside of their storefront as well. They get people on it and hooked.
Absolutely. There's lots of positives from it. And and I always believe in utilizing any tool that is healing for the skin. It is your biggest organ, on your body, and it's supported by all of these muscles and this soft tissue. And the other thing that this is great for is this is going to help with lymph drainage. Being able to do some lymph drainage and get everything moving in the body. That's a big thing nowadays because everyone is so toxified by all of the processed foods that they have taken in over the years. I'm a child of the 70s. I know that, my mom was buying Wonder Bread and, we were eating TV dinners and, we're all trying to declutter our whole systems now. Can you feel that tightening in there, Vanessa?
A little bit, yeah. Especially on the nasolabial fold right there.
Right.
I would love to have this machine and then do the face and then bring it down so the lymphatic.
Right, going down into the décolleté, yeah. No, then, and that's the thing that you can do is you can, work the whole décolleté, the neck with this machine.
Oh wow, I can really feel it up there.
Mm-hmm.
Good, I'll get a brow lift while I'm at it.
That's right. I was talking to my sister about the machine and I said, it has that wand to do the non-surgical facelift where you're re-educating the muscles. She goes, if I bought one of those machines, I'd just be sitting on the couch all day long, rubbing it up and down on my face, trying to get rid of all these smoker lines,
I could already feel like I see it from here.
Yeah, I can see it. I can see the lift. This is down. If you come and look from behind here, you can totally see the lift. Just come right back here. And if you come right here, you can see from the back, you can see how lifted this jowl is. You can see her cheeks lifted up. See how this is down?
Yeah, no, you can really see. Oh my gosh, yeah, you can really see it from
really
here,
amazing. Mm-hmm. Yeah, this machine is the thriller killer of Manila is what I call it because it's gonna give you the lift you're looking for.
Yeah, her cheek, the line by your nose to your corner.
Yeah, the mastiff there. Yeah, mm-hmm. Yeah, this muscle right there.
I've also heard a lot about how the EMS can help stimulate hair follicles and hairline. Is that something you're familiar with?
I'm going to tell you something. This is one of the things that I really wanted to start looking into because of the fact that so many people now, including myself, I have been on a GLP-1 to lose weight. And one of the issues, and Vanessa can attest to this, is your hair falls out.
Wow.
Oh yeah.
And it's not just from losing weight, because we didn't lose our weight really fast. Vanessa, how much weight did you lose?
70 pounds.
Yeah, and I lost 60. And I'm still, I went off of it for a year and now I've come back on it and I'm starting to lose the hair again. So trust me, I'm gonna be rubbing that wand over there in my scalp.
Yeah, someone told us this one. Yeah, actually, their hair grows.
Yeah.
It's like they had hair extensions.
Yeah, I'm gonna.
Now you got the shaken too, or you got a shaken in?
I haven't gotten that. I'm gonna order that next week. I have to go to California, you know, but I'm gonna get that. But what I'm really excited about is I'm excited about the event that's going on in California in June. I got my VIP tickets, and I got our hotel booked down there at the Hyatt down in Orange County, so that's going to be really cool.
Wow, the skin looks so. I could literally see. It's crazy looking. Like it's only been like 10 minutes.
I know, and it's wild how it's just totally lifting, and her brow is lifted up. Yeah. Well, and it continues working. That's the great thing about it. You know.
You know how they say with muscles, you use it or you lose it.
And muscle has memory, you know, that's the great thing is, you know, and so when you start using this machine and every time you utilize it, what's gonna happen is those muscles that have already been stimulated, say 3 weeks ago, you're coming back in and you're doing it again and they're going, hey, we did this. I remember this, let's re-educate. That's why they call it re-educating the facial muscles.
And in combination with good skincare,
Oh yeah.
you know, and drinking your lemon water. The thing about the weight loss I discovered later on is get your protein goals every day and use collagen.
I mean, it still worked,
It
but
still
now,
worked.
yeah. So
Okay.
we accidentally had the sticker on still, guys,
I had no
because it's
idea.
brand new.
And I'm glad because you know what? She has all that makeup on.
Yeah.
So
Exactly.
I'm not hurt by that feeling.
Okay, I mean the fact that it still worked through
That's pretty
the
crazy,
sticker,
right?
because this is
I
comes
know.
on it when it's
Okay,
brand new.
so
We
I'm gonna
literally
do a
just
picture
opened.
of you.
Okay.
Is it amazing? You need that in your life?
I wish I had a mirror.
Isn't it crazy?
So guys,
It's
this was
beautiful.
it with the sticker on. Like probably like half the strength it would have been. But yeah, you could definitely see.
Dang.
Okay, so here's a quick video of the before.
This is Medina.
And then we'll get her started on her treatment. This time without the sticker on it, guys.
Yeah.
So it's going to be a lot stronger.
Go ahead. I'm gonna apply the gel. So Medina is 30 years old. And we want to be able to show you a couple different textures of skin. Since she has beautiful, young, supple. We're gonna start off. There we go. Can you feel that? Okay. Yeah, because we on the machine.
You're getting facials every day now.
I didn't even do my gua sha.
Yeah, she does gua sha.
I didn't do that today though.
Well, this will help with lymphatic drainage.
And you're doing radio frequency passes.
I did radio frequency first, and now I'm doing EMS.
I feel this. And just go back to your too. How like the other like high frequency machine does.
Well, high frequency, the galvanic current that is the light. That's just a little bit different, but this does, I believe it kills parasites. So, you know, people that have rosacea, you know, they say that rosacea is actually a parasite in the skin. And so, We don't have any studies or claims, but that are legal. But I'm assuming from the work that I did before with this type of electromagnetic current, it does.
I felt it when I hit my temple with it. The temple gives you a nice little head massage.
Out there. Doesn't look cool?
Got the first branded Olylife car in the entire country, 100%. Gotta do a cross-country road trip in that thing.
Absolutely.
Just park it on the side of
I'm
the
going to
road.
California on Thursday, so they're gonna see it down in California.
What level are you using EMS?
It's not available anyways. I'm on 3.
Son. And just so you guys know, the beauty wand she is using is just one of the included attachments. Comes with the P90 Plus, our flagship product. It's the main device you put your feet on, 20-minute session, supercharges your body with PEMF terahertz, helps whole body regeneration by charging the voltage of your cells, increasing circulation and microcirculation, and it comes with this beauty wand, and it also has a wand over there that's designed more for localized PEMF spot treating your body. All of this for the very low affordable price of $1,500. Really the goal of our company was to make this technology accessible to the masses. Traditionally, each of these products would probably be worth thousands of dollars or several $1,000s. So company's goal was to really help make this affordable and accessible to anyone.
Well, like I said, when I was doing non-surgical facelifts when I was 19 years old, the machine that Chris O'Kelly had purchased back then was $30,000 in 1988 just for the facial wand. So, I mean, to be able to get a machine that you can work on body, you can do the feet that flows through your legs, and then to be able to do the facial for $1,500, it's a bargain in the sky, trust me.
Yeah, we've had chiropractors tell us the main device you put your feet on works better than $50,000 devices they've used in their chiropractic offices for years. So all of this, it's basically free for what it does. Yeah, you could definitely see left side.
Yeah, it's lifted.
Or her right side of her face, left in the camera, eyebrows a lot higher up.
Here with the other side. And you know, here's the great thing. These machines are accessible now. And you know, if you decide that you want one of these machines, just hit up my website, Olylife for you, the number 4 and you.com. And you know, you'll be able to order one of these if you're local here in Portland, Oregon, or in Washington State. I'd be more than glad to train you on this, help you. And if you're interested in building a business, this is the way to go. I mean, right now, the way that the world is, people are wanting things that are actually healing their body. We're trying to come to another conscious level about how our bodies work and how we work with the earth. And you know, how this machine helps ground you. You know, we're having an opportunity right now to dive into something that no other generation has. So I suggest that, you know, read up on it. There's lots of information on my website, and get one of these machines. Change your life. Change how you feel. Get rid of pain. I mean, these really relieve pain in the body. So go to olyliferyou.com, look at all the information, and then give me a call. I'll be more than glad to help you out.